Natasha, that fire danger, which is already high, is going to go to extreme high levels.
Exactly. And many areas are going to be under an excessive heat watch, especially further south where that fire is burning. We're going to detail that here in just a second. But great weather today. We got up to 78 degrees at PDX. That is about 2 degrees below average. Tomorrow, you will notice the warm up for sure. As we're looking out live right now, Vancouver, 66 degrees, dew point 59, wind out of the northwest at 7 miles per hour. Sunrise time tomorrow morning, 5:32. The one thing we're not worried about is this. Take a look at this video from Phoenix, Arizona. This is what we call a haboob. I'm not making up this word. If you've been watching TV at all today, you've already seen this or heard about this, but this is when thunderstorms kick out the strong outflow boundary, these strong winds ahead of the thunderstorm, and you get this wall cloud of dust. And in many cases, as you can see right there, it reduces visibility down to almost zero. So it's dangerous. It's not just a nuisance, but dangerous if it happens near a congested freeway, as it did earlier today. Incredible. Now, what can we expect heading into the next 3 days? Our temperatures on the rise tomorrow up to 87, 94 Thursday, Friday, 90 degrees. Here's what we're talking about in terms of thunderstorm activity right around the desert southwest. Now, this per se is not going to be impacting our weather. However, a big ridge of high pressure is going to be building over the Rockies and the eastern Pacific over the next 3 days, which is going to bring our temperatures up. And also, we're looking for some strong winds starting tomorrow. A small craft advisory just offshore from Ocean Park down through Florence and all the way down to the California border. Wind speeds up to possibly 30 knots out of the north, seas 6 to 7 feet. Keep that in mind if you're going to be heading out there. There's a big area of high pressure setting up, and it's not just us. We're talking about big time temperatures on the rise south of us. Excessive heat watches in effect for the southern end of our state, where temperatures could reach the triple-digit mark. We're not expecting that here, though. As we get to Sunday and into Monday and Tuesday of next week, that heat is still with us. Wind speeds currently between about 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the northwest right now. Hourly forecast, putting this map into motion. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, everything nice and clear for us, even out to the coast. By tomorrow afternoon, our temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s. We could see our valley temperatures topping off into the upper 80s. Now we get to Thursday, a different story. This is your lunchtime temperature, 88 degrees. So for your daytime high Thursday, we could easily be hitting 94. Cooling off in the water, Willamette temperature, Willamette River, 71 degrees. Columbia River, 67, going right through Vancouver. Here's your 7-day forecast. Little areas of relief, and I'm talking about maybe 3 degrees at best, but you can count on the low 90s all the way through Monday of next week.
Yeah, look at that. We have 5 straight days there of 90 degree or 90 degree plus weather there. So that's a heat wave.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Natasha. Still ahead here. The